How to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 for PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download Euro Truck Simulator 2, firstly open the Steam application on your device. You can easily install Steam from the browser. Once open, make sure to log in first. You will be led to the official homepage of Steam now. Here you will see a search bar. Tap on that and search for Euro Truck Simulator 2. You will see various options with different pricing. Tap on the first option that is of 10.84 US dollar. Here, if you scroll down, you will see two options, that is the demo version and the purchase version. If you want to purchase the game, you can tap on the option which shows USD beside it. In order to download the demo version, tap on the download button below Download Euro Truck Simulator 2 Demo. In the pop-up that appears, make sure to tap on the Create an Application Shortcut checkbox and now go ahead and hit the install button, and with this Euro Truck Simulator for PC will be downloaded successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.